Hello, friends and fellow bakers. How you doing? It's your old friend Chef Tom from ChefInstructorTom.com. And this week, I have to say, it's kind of a short episode, maybe like a non-episode, because we are prepping furiously for 4th of July holiday, and I hope you are as well. I hope you have some good food planned. We've got lots of fun stuff planned. Yes, pizza will be involved, of course. We got family and friends here in from out of town, so we're going to make it a short episode today. But I did want to give you a few tips on your 4th of July holiday. First of which is stay away from homemade fireworks. I think that's a good way to start. And then also warm potato salad. If the potato salad is warm, walk away, maybe even tell someone, if you get my drift. Either way, I hope you have a happy and safe 4th of July and just celebrate and have some fun. We'll see you next week on ChefInstructorTom.com, on the YouTube channel, and thanks for subscribing and liking the channel so much. I do appreciate that, and we will have more episodes for you very soon. Happy baking!